When it comes to home improvement projects, windows play a vital role in enhancing your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. While some homeowners may be tempted to tackle window installation as a DIY project, hiring professional window installers in Nampa offers significant advantages that can save time, money, and hassle in the long run. Here are the top 5 benefits of professional window installation in Nampa. Expert installation ensures proper fit and function. One of the key benefits of hiring professionals for window installation is the precision and expertise they bring to the job. Windows that are not properly installed can result in drafts, leaks, and even structural issues. Professional installers are trained to measure and fit windows with accuracy, ensuring a perfect seal every time. In Nampa, where weather conditions vary from chilly winters to warm summers, having windows that fit correctly helps maintain indoor comfort year-round. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or installing new ones, professionals use the right tools and techniques to guarantee optimal performance. Improved energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners in Nampa, where heating and cooling costs can add up quickly. Improperly installed windows can create gaps and air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain consistent temperatures. Professional window installation eliminates these issues by ensuring airtight seals and proper insulation. Modern energy-efficient windows, when correctly installed, reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. This means lower energy bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and a more comfortable home. Professional installers can also recommend the best window materials and styles to suit Nampa's climate, maximizing your energy savings over time. Saves time and reduces stress. Window installation may seem like a straightforward task, but it often involves intricate steps, from removing old windows to installing, sealing, and finishing the new ones. Without experience, DIY installations can quickly turn into stressful and time-consuming projects. Professional window installers have the skills, tools, and experience to complete the job efficiently and correctly the first time. They can tackle challenges like uneven openings or structural adjustments without delaying the project. For homeowners in Nampa, this means less stress and more time to focus on other priorities. Additionally, most professional installers work on a schedule and ensure that your project is completed within the agreed time frame, saving you from prolonged disruptions to your daily life. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Quality windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and overall value. Professionally installed windows not only look better but also function smoothly, enhancing the aesthetics and practicality of your home. If you're considering selling your home in Nampa, new windows can make a great first impression on potential buyers. Professional installation ensures that windows are aligned, sealed, and finished to perfection, adding to the home's visual appeal. Additionally, modern window options include various styles, designs, and finishes that can be customized to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer traditional wood windows or sleek, energy-efficient vinyl frames, professional installation ensures a flawless result. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Professional window installation comes with warranties that protect both the product and the labor, Many window manufacturers require professional installation to keep their product warranties valid. DIY installations, on the other hand, can void these warranties if the job is not done correctly. By hiring professional installers in Nampa, you get peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. If issues arise with your windows or installation, professionals can address them promptly without additional costs. This warranty coverage adds long-term value and security to your window installation project. Final thought. Investing in professional window installation in Nampa is a smart decision for homeowners looking to improve their comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. From expert craftsmanship and energy savings to time efficiency and warranty protection, professional installers ensure a hassle-free experience with lasting benefits. Don't leave your windows to chance. Trust the professionals to deliver exceptional results that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient models or replacing aging windows, professional installation is the key to a beautiful, functional, and efficient home.